The municipality of Knjazevac lies in picturesque river valleys of the Timok River, on the hilly slopes of the surrounding mountains in attractive areas of the northern part of Stara Planina. The ski center Babin Zub consists of ski trails at the locations of Konjarnik, Sunčana Dolina and Markova Livada. The ski resort Babin Zub has a four-seater cable car, Konjarnik, with a conveyor for the transport of skiers with a capacity of 1,400 skiers per hour, and the ski lift T-bar Sun Valley with a capacity of 1,200 skiers per hour, as well as the children's ski kindergarten with a magic carpet called Markova Livada. On the location of Jabučko Ravnište there is the first gondola in Serbia. The 8-seater gondola transports skiers from the hotel to the following system of lifts and ski trails. If you choose to stay in one of the villages on the slopes of the mountain, you will have the opportunity to enjoy walks through unspoiled nature, hiking, collecting herbs, skiing, participating in the preparation of food, and at the end of the day, when you get back tired, a friendly host will offer you local specialties. A comfortable and pleasant accommodation in rural households, their comfort, warmth and closeness of the mountain is the perfect place where you can plan your activities during the day. Rooms are functional, beautifully decorated, with an unforgettable view of the surroundings and the breathtaking peaks of Stara Planina. What will further attract you are the excellent wines of Knjazevac vineyards that have constantly been awarded and are offered in the world's largest hotel chains. Wine production in Knjazevac vineyards is dating back to Roman times, of which there are data from the archaeological sites of Timacum Minus, nearby the town of Knjazevac. Banjica Spa is located on the bank of the Timok River, 5 kilometers from Knjazevac. It is one of the favorite resorts of Knjazevac and its visitors. It consists of a series of springs appearing in the aquifer rift's length of 800 meters. Banjica Spa water is warm subthermal water with a temperature from 20 to 37 degrees Celsius, and from the therapeutic point of view it is classified as hypothermal. Banjica Spa with its water supplies the pool complex. It includes an open Olympic pool, depth up to 2.2 meters, children's pool depth of 60 centimeters with a mini aqua park, a restaurant and several sports fields for beach volleyball, football and basketball. Near the site there is the archaeological ethno park, located in the courtyard of an old village school. The municipality of Knjazevac has very favorable conditions for the development of different forms of tourism, and the proximity of Stara Planina mountain massif and its unspoiled nature offers ideal conditions for the development of mountain tourism, organization of competitions in extreme sports, adrenaline ride of all-terrain vehicle, exploring caves, waterfalls and gorges, as well as hiking to the highest peak in Serbia. To the lovers of more cultivated environment, we recommend the villages in the valley of the river Timok, visiting wineries, enjoying fishing, visiting the old mills, as well as some of the local pubs with pleasant music, where you can try unforgettable specialties of this area. Because of all this, Knjazevac was named the exceptional destination of Europe in 2014.